Open COMSOL Multiphysics. Ctrl-O to open the 3D geometry file. You should have this from the previous video, or you can download the file using link number 1. Double-click on 3D geometry. On the left side, click on component 2 and delete it. Click yes or press enter button. On top left, add component. Then choose 3D component. On the very top, look for geometry. In geometry, you can directly create 3D object. For example, let's click on block. Click on build selected. You can the width, depth, and height of the block in the settings. Let's change the width to 1, depth to 2 and height to 3. Click on build selected. Click on zoom extents. The reference direction is bottom left inside the graphics window. You can see the block is 1 meter in X direction, 2 meters in Y direction and 3 meters in Z direction. You can also change the position of the block in position. Now let's build a sphere with the radius of 2 meters. The position is 0.5 meter in X direction, 1 meter in Y direction, and 0 in Z direction. Pause the video and try it yourself. Alright, are you ready? On the top bar, click sphere, set radius to 2, X to 0.5, Y to 1. Click on build selected. Click on zoom extents. Ctrl S to save the file. See you in the next video on how to modify 3D objects.